です。Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, I want to record the music, record video, practice musical instrument in my room, but worry about the trouble in my neighborhood. However, Soundproof studio booths are too expensive to afford, and Soundproof sheet just like for me. So put them in the wall for soundproofing. It comes with the sticky on the back, so you can put it in immediately after buying. Then diamond shape is good, and most likely I will just put across the diamond shape like this side, and maybe a little bit up so I can see a diamond shape. Then do that. So So let's test the sound of this room. Okay, so I'll test the sound of hello, 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 hello. I put off the sound. I have a fan here. So I will take it out. Okay, so okay, so I will take in the front camera. Let's see. So here is the sound. Here is the sound. No panel around me, and this is I have a two side. Let's see. I cannot change this to other side. So okay. So let's. Yeah. So this one I bought basically from Amazon AORTD recording studio. Basically the the reverb we can fix echo 50 mm and a 5 centimeter thick and come. Yesterday I left it outside a bit so that it will the smell was really stinky. Now it's gone. The smell looks like I don't want to expose the sun too much, so it will change the color. So this side, it looks like it did change something. Yeah, so okay. All right, let's check it out. Go inside and see. Yeah, it did change a little bit. The color this side. Then do that. So let's test the sound of this room. Okay. So we'll test the sound of test first. Hello, 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 hello. I put off the sound of the fan. Fan off. Put this light on. Okay, I have a fan here. So I will take it out. The fan. Okay. Hello. So I will take it out. The fan. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, this is the sound. I'm standing on the middle of the room and I'm speaking left and right and up and down and also look up myself and the other side. Okay. All right. So I just put panel just for testing and see like how is it sound. I think pretty good. It's not echoing that much, and reverb is kind of fixed. I'll just change around to see all these panel needs to be arranged nicely. I just put this panel and see like move around and see like that. So I just move to the center. So my room is becoming better in a sense. Right now kind of messy, but so how is it sound? How is it sound? Now I'm just talking in the middle of the room, so probably like echoing as much. So how is it sound? How is it sound? How is it sound? I'm looking at the right side. How is it sound? How is it sound? Look at the left side. How is it sound on the top? Okay, how is the sound going down? So, I mean, sounds, if I stand on the middle of the room, maybe not much different, but I'm sitting in my room, so it doesn't really echo as much as before. Now, this is a direct direct video me, so raw mic is a directional, so it doesn't really echo as much. But if I use the other ones, for example, let's see how. So this is the design I'm trying to put it. It's not equal, so I'll just put this side like this maybe. I have a few other things I left, and I have here. The earlier I took in my mobile and without raw mic. Then let's say how is it sound? 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 So if I talk this way, I think there's not much reverb because there is sound front, then it will bounce to this, then it will bounce back to like also bounce there. They maybe bounce back to this side also that I need to put something. But let's see like how it is. But sounds to me like when I talk, when I sitting down, I think sounds better. Like I don't hear like echoing. So 結構いいな。今日はですね、こちらのコーディネートスタジオの防音材、だいぶいろいろ改善されました。まずはその、レンズの音とかもう一つここにいるのでここをつけようかなと思ってます。であとはこっちにつけてますけどちょっとデザイン的に良くないので後で変えようかなと思ってて、でもう一つは横にここにつけてここにもつけようかなと思ってます。であとはここの上ですね。ここにあるとこういうのをバウンスしてる時に多分、結構いいんじゃないかなと思ってて、なので一応このグレーを試してみたいと思います。まずこういろいろ書かれてるのが、お部屋で音楽や動画撮影、録音楽防音シート、まず両面シールが付けなので買ってすぐに貼ることができます。でいろいろレビューもいいと思います。はい。